Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bella. So today's video is a recipe video. Okay, I want to show you guys how I prepare my chicken stew, my delicious chicken stew, guys. So just keep watching. Okay,
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, and the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. 'Cause I ain't never had nobody do me.
so guys, here I have my chicken properly washed, and I have my chopped onion, and I have my favorite seasoning cube, which is the Knorr cube. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is turn on my gas, and after that I place my pot and I get ready to start cooking. So I'm going to put in my chicken, and then I will go in with some water, of course, and my onion, the purple onion I chopped earlier. And after that I'm going to go in with some seasonings, which is my seasoning cube, of course, the Knorr that I saw earlier, and I'm going to go in with my curry powder, my thyme, and my bay leaf, and then I go in with some salt to taste. Okay, so guys, after putting in all these spices to steam my meat, I'm just going to cover it and leave it for about 15 minutes. So guys, as you all can see, it's boiling, and yeah, I'm still going to cover it and leave it for more 5 minutes. Guys, while waiting for my meat to steam, I had to catch up on the Big Brother Titan show, and I'm enjoying it so far. Alright guys, it's time for me to fry my chicken, so I'm going to put in some oil in my frying pan, and then that's it guys, keep watching. So guys, you want your chicken to be this golden brown color. Okay, once you have this, then your chicken is good. So guys, here I have my tomato mix. I've already steamed this. So what is inside here is my red tomato, my chili pepper, my red bell pepper, the big pepper, and the scotch bonnet pepper, and my onion, garlic, and ginger. I blend them all together, and this is what I got. Okay, so when you blend, you steam it, that's what you get. So right now I'm going to pour in the oil I used in frying my chicken, guys, and then I'm going to put in my purple onion and just allow it fry a bit, and then I'm going to fry this with some salt. Yeah, I'm putting salt now because I want my onion to be sweet, very very sweet. So I'm going to put in my thyme, and I'm going to put in my curry powder, and I'm going to put in my bay leaf, and I'm just going to stir this. And then after doing this process, the next thing I'm going to do is to put in the blended and steamed tomato mix. Okay, so guys, I'm going to stir this very well because I want the tomato to be very very fried, like fried properly, and then I'm just going to cover it and give it some minutes. Yeah guys, guys, I'm just going to stir this a little bit more because I really want the tomato to like cook very well. Okay, as you can see, I'm just stirring by the side. I'm not really putting my hand deep down into the bottom of the pot. So now what I'm just going to do is to put in my Knorr seasoning cube, okay, and put in some thyme, some curry. I use a very few ingredients while cooking, especially when I'm making stew, okay. So I'm just going to use my curry powder, my thyme, and salt, and then I'm going to use my turmeric. I don't really use much of turmeric, I just use a little quantity, okay. Now I'm just introducing the meat stock, the stock I got from my chicken. I'm introducing it into my pot of stew, okay. Then after doing this, I'm just going to let this cook. But before I do that, I'm going to taste to know if my stew has the quantity or amount of salt I want. If it doesn't, I'm just going to put or add in some little bit of salt. So guys, I'm introducing the fried chicken into the pot. As you can see, it's boiling really fast and it's just like splashing and all that. So I'll just cover this for about 5 more minutes. So guys, here we have the pot of chicken stew. You can have this with rice, you can have it with spag, any other thing you feel like having this with. It smells so nice and it tastes really delicious. Okay guys, please do subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.